Milky, what are you building?
A Technic Lego car.
How old are you?
5.
You just turned 5
Yeah.
last month. And you're gonna build this
There's
10-plus-year-old.
100 pieces. 100 pieces.
No, there's 1,000 pieces. 10 plus years. We'll see if you can build it on your own or not. Okay? Every time when you get to this point, you gotta call me so I can double check. This looks really easy.
Yeah.
Are you really sure this is correct?
Yeah.
Let me see. Kind of looks correct.
These things are just loose. They're supposed to be loose.
They're supposed to be loose?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow, okay, okay. Is this too hard for you?
No.
And why are you crying?
Just a little hard.
Just a little hard?
Yeah.
Are you gonna keep crying or not? Stop
No.
crying. Okay. Go. You're gonna make 2 of these. This is what it means. 2x. This means you're gonna make 2 of these. 2
Well,
of
there isn't any more of these.
right here. And find this piece too. You already put that on there. Just leave it there. Okay. We can make this another one.
Guess what this is?
Okay. You missed this.
I put it on.
Can you continue or not continue?
I can continue.
If you keep mixing it, you can't continue. So you gotta look the booklet very carefully, you understand? You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. You can keep on going. You, after this 6 pages, you come and get me to get inspected. You understand? No.
This doesn't look right. P.S. How could I move?
Next page will fix it. Is this too hard for you? It's very easy.
It's very easy.
Wow. This is what you built so far?
Yeah.
Shocks, engine, piston. Good job, okay? Good job.
This one is not automatic. It's always that high. It's always at mid. Hey, just leave it. The other one's doing fine. The one upstairs goes well.
How do you like it?
Yeah.
Why is this lifted up? Oh.
I
that's
think
how you put
PS, if cars are trying to crash, our car will go under the car.
that. Is that why?
Yeah.
Okay. Show me some more. What's in there? What's on inside there?
Just gas tanks.
And what about? Why there's so many gas tanks here? There's another gas tank.
Yeah.
Okay. Put it down.
I think that's an air bag.
Your bag.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your next going? What are you gonna build next? Here. Is this what you're gonna build next?
Yeah.
Well, this one is harder. Let's see. You think you can build yourself?
Yeah.